welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to make this page using only Gutenberg block patterns. As you can see, we have a nice stylish website. We also have AutoWP's dynamic shopping experience, and we're going to go over how we can build this in literally minutes. So let's dive right in. Alright, let's get started. Let's go ahead and head over to a page. You can pick whatever page you want. We're just going to start with a sample page, and we're going to just get rid of everything. By the way, one of the best ways to see all your blocks and in the order they're in is this little list view. And we're just going to get rid of all of our blocks so we start fresh. Alright, to see the block patterns, all you need to do is go to the plus here, browse all, or the blue plus up here, and as you see, patterns. Now this may vary between themes that you have installed and plugins. All I have is the AutoWP theme and WooCommerce. So just like Elementor and many other page builders, you have all these different kind of pre-built sections to a website. This is the gallery one. This comes with the WordPress install, some full page ones that come with my theme, and all kinds of different footers, testimonials, and these are more things that come with your default install of WordPress. So you just click on one and you already have a start to a section, and you can just click in and change the different colors and different looks, replace the image with an image you already have in your library, or upload a new one. It just makes it easier and quicker to start building a website. So let's add another one. And let's go ahead and do a WooCommerce block. And then we'll add another one. Try a page section. Now we'll do featured. As you can see, you're already starting to have a really nice looking website without very much work. Again, you can just replace images, change text to whatever you like. Now if you want a bigger view of all the patterns, you can do explore all. And this gives you a bigger overall look at all the different blocks. And it just makes building a website easy, fast, and not much effort needed at all. So let's pick out a text. Pick this one. And the great thing now is all you need to do is add a all products block and choose a cool style from our theme, and you already have a page that can sell stuff for you in minutes. We're going to quickly change this into its own page, and we're going to do that by swapping templates. Going to go to blank so we can add our own custom header. We'll add a block, add a pattern, look for header. We'll go ahead and pick that, put it up there. And then we're going to add a footer. Go again, patterns, footers. We're going to pick this dark footer here. And then we're going to move this block up a little bit. Update, preview. As you can see, we got our header, this section and the next section. And we got our shopping area. And you can pair that with dynamic shopping from AutoWP and give your customers an amazing shopping experience. And we have our other section, and then this section and our footer. As you can see, it only takes you a few minutes to build a page with Gutenberg and block patterns. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.